Ever had a song or cover in your head but didn't know how to make it real? Enter Singify, the tool that takes your ideas and turns them into full songs in minutes. No fancy studios, no crazy equipment, just you and your creativity. Sounds crazy, right? Stick around to see how easy it is. Before the demo, here's a quick rundown of Singify and why it's a game changer. Whether you're a fan, creator, or musician, Singify lets you create, remix, and cover songs with AI. You can upload a track, record your voice, or use celebrity voices. With the AI song generator, you can transform a simple idea, sentence, image, or vibe into an original song. Want your lyrics in a polished track or even another language? Singify's got you. Ready to remix, create, and explore music? Click the link in the description to visit the website, sign up, and start creating your own songs with AI voices. It's that simple. Once you're on the homepage, let's dive into how the AI song generator works. If you have an idea but aren't sure how to turn it into a song, no worries, just type something or upload an image or video. For example, you can write a heartfelt song about missing someone deeply, and Singify will instantly generate the lyrics for you. Or if you already have your own lyrics, just type them into the box and you're all set. Want to get creative? You can even generate a French version of an existing English song, like turning Firefly into a beautiful French rendition. It's that easy. Once you've got your lyrics, it's time to choose the right music model. Singify Aria V1. 0 is great for creative arrangements, while V2. 0 gives you a polished, professional sound with cinematic mixes and high-quality vocals. Both models support 10 languages and can create tracks up to 4 to 5 minutes long. I personally recommend Singify Aria Vibe 2. 0 if you want that truly professional vibe. Trust me, it sounds amazing. Now that you've got your lyrics and chosen your AI model, it's time to pick the perfect music style, whether it's hip-hop, rock, soulful, or something else. Not sure what to choose? Just upload a 10 to 30-second reference track, add your song title, and hit generate. Singify will turn your idea into a full song like magic. What style are you going for? Drop it in the comments next up, the AI covers generator. Want to hear your song in a different voice? Whether it's a celebrity or your own custom AI singer, Singify makes it easy. Simply upload your audio or track generated by Aria, search for a song, or paste a video link, and Singify handles the rest. Check out the side-by-side comparison of the original and our AI cover. Make any song truly yours. For remixers and DJs, Singify's AI stem splitter is a game changer. Isolate vocals, instrumentals, or elements like bass and drums with just one click. Search keywords, paste a YouTube link, or upload audio, and Singify will split the song into individual parts, perfect for remixing, karaoke, or a cappella versions. And it doesn't stop there. Singify offers countless music generation styles to explore, so you can really get creative. Click the link in the description below to check out all the options and start creating something amazing yourself. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what kind of music you create. I'm excited to hear what you come up with. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Want to see how AI tools boost productivity? Check out my other videos for even more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.